I am going to show you my updated room tour. It's been a couple years and I changed everything around back in September. I love how it all turned out, so I'm going to show you what it looks like now. I don't have anybody to hold the camera for me, so I'm going to kind of just show you like this and hold the camera myself vlog style. Anyway, here is the door to my room. I have this hanging on it. This has been here for like a while, like before I changed my room. I got this at, I want to say like Home Goods or TJ Maxx, something like that. At Christmas time I changed it out and I hang up a wreath right here, but this is what's here most of the time. And here's my room. Here is kind of an overview. It's a pretty small room, so there's kind of a lot in here, but it's all super organized so that I can, I don't know, do you ever just lose your train of thought? Here's my room. So obviously the biggest thing in here is my bed. My bed frame is from IKEA. It is black. It's the same one from my last room tour, just right back here. This one, it's just that one that everyone has from IKEA. It's just a very simple, straight up and down headboard. And underneath, not on this side, but on the other side, I have a couple of the drawers that go underneath, and I keep out of season clothes and stuff in there. All of my bedding is from like all different places. This blanket is, I want to say Ralph Lauren. I got this one at TJ Maxx. The pillow is from Home Goods. These pillowcases are from Home Goods. They're like all, I don't know, these are all like different like quilted fabrics, and then these are just plain white. And I still have my same old sheets from Amazon that I had in my last room tour. I just changed them today actually. In the winter time I switched them to a flannel set from Target. And then above my bed I still have my same lights from IKEA. They actually don't have these anymore because I looked for them, but I don't have them anymore. And then right here above my bed I have these angel wings. I got them off of Amazon. They're like ceramic. They're pretty heavy, so I hope they don't fall on me. But I just wanted something white, and I kind of have other mirrors in here already. I didn't want to just do another mirror above my bed, and none of the art that I have is big enough, so I like these. I hung them a little bit higher. I just kind of like how that looks. When you first walk in the door, I have this long mirror right here. The inside is jewelry. Oops, where is it? The inside is all jewelry storage. This is kind of messy, but I have a lot of stuff in here. Yeah, so I really like this. It fits everything, which was an issue with my last jewelry box because my old one was antique, and even though it was so pretty, it didn't fit like any of my like big chunky jewelry. So this fits everything and all my sunglasses, and that works perfectly. Then I have, oops, hi. It's so dark. Then right next to the mirror, I have this painting. It says there are so many beautiful reasons to be happy, which is something that I love and want to think about every single day and look at every day. I don't remember where I got this, maybe Ross or Marshall's. Then I have this plant down here. This is from Home Goods. It's just this like cute little stand, and then it's a fake plant. Next to all that is the door to my closet. I have these cute little hooks that my best friends got me for like my 17th birthday or something in high school, and I still have them. The other two are on the back of my bedroom door, and I just hang my robe right here next to my bed. Then I have my nightstand. This is a piece of art done by my friend Blaze. We went to high school together. He does these really cool like ocean, I don't know what you would call them, like it's like a slice right into the earth. He does really, really cool artwork, and I love supporting my friends and local artists, so I bought this piece from him, and I got the frame at Home Goods. It's just like a pretty mirror frame. Then my nightstand, this piece of furniture I've had for so long. I got this at Salvation Army years and years ago. This is probably like the third time I've painted it. Back in September I painted a bunch of furniture white. I just wanted everything to be a little bit brighter than it was when I had the black furniture before. So I painted this white, and I changed the knobs to these really cool like acrylic pulls, and they were a little bit expensive. The pulls were from Amazon, but I love them and it's so worth it. On top of my nightstand, I have my vision board, which I have a blog post about up on my blog, and I will link that. I have some books. I just liked these because they were all white, and so it kind of matched my room. I have this lamp, which I think I got at Ross. It's just a little glass bubble lamp with a simple shade. Then I have this little like pencil cup thing, and I have my remotes in it and my blue light glasses. And then I keep my watch charger and a phone charger here. I have this really nifty little, it's a power strip, and I just Velcroed it with command strip Velcro to the side of my bed, so I can plug all my chargers, my lamp, my alarm clock, everything in here, and have everything be easy access. This is not real coral. This is just like a decoration. I want to say TJ Maxx probably. My sister got me this for Christmas. It's so cute. And so I have that, and then my iPad for reading, and then I just have like a couple little things here, and my alarm clock is from Target. The last thing on my bedside table is this little crystal ashtray. I got this at Salvation Army a really long time ago. They have these kinds of things all the time, but it's just pretty and simple, and I just throw whatever in here. Like I have a chapstick for next to my bed, like some loose change, and like a safety pin. And then I don't like to wear my jewelry to bed, so I put my everyday jewelry in here. So that it's all in one place and doesn't get lost. If I put it all the way away, I will forget to put it on the next day. And back up at the front of my bedroom, the back of my bedroom door has my other two hooks, and I just have some scarves and my Instax camera. I usually keep my camera hung up here too, but I'm obviously using it right now. And I hang my purse on the back of this hook usually too. Then I got my trash can. Excuse my gross carpet. This is an old house. My trash can is from HomeGoods. I thought it was so pretty. It's like this cool like marble. I don't know. I spent way too much money on it for it to be a trash can, but I love it. Then I swapped my IKEA dresser out for this one. I got this on OfferUp. It was like $100. I had to send Jake to go pick it up. And it was white before, but it was like kind of like antiqued or whatever. So I repainted it. And I changed the knobs again to match the ones like I got for my bedside table. These are so cool. They're like these hexagon things, but they all are this cool like acrylic. And then this little door has its own. So my chest of drawers here has all of my like socks, underwear, undershirts, t-shirts, pajamas, workout clothes, and that kind of stuff. And then everything else is in my closet. Right above, I have my TV and Ralph. If you've seen my old bedroom tours or my old apartment tour, I've had Ralph for a long time. I got him at Salvation Army also. And then on top of my dresser, I have my big pineapple, because I love my pineapples, my college degree, and then a bunch of pictures. A couple of them are just like the stock picture because I wanted more silver frames, but I don't have pictures for them yet. So this is all of them. It's mostly like gold and silver tones and some white and a lot of like glass. Then over here I have this little thing. I just put a seashell in it. I'm not sure if that's how I want to keep it. But I'm gonna keep something in there, I guess. And then I just have a candle burning right now. Then I have this little thing. I think this is also from HomeGoods. I just have like some little like sample perfumes in here, but I love this. I just thought it was so pretty. And then I have my DVD player here on top of a Sephora box. I don't like how it looks, and I don't use it a ton, so I just kind of have it hidden back here. I might try and find like a better way to do it. In this corner, I have this little light. I think this was here before I got this on house.com, and I have the world's ugliest light bulb in it, but I really just needed good light here because I used to have this as my makeup corner. Then I have this from Forever 21. It was on super duper sale one time and I just got it. Good things take time. Like, I don't know, it's a nice reminder. Then I have my record player up here that my uncle got me. Sometimes I'll have like records stacked up here, but I'm always scared they're gonna fall off. Then I still have my Alex 9 drawer, and it is still full of stuff, but I really want to get rid of it eventually. It's still really full, but eventually I want to get rid of it and just have like a chair here or something. I just have a dog bed here for Maisie, and then I hung up this set of curtains. The curtains are from IKEA. They're so pretty, I love them. And the curtain rod is from Walmart. Then I just threw this little garland up here. I got this in the Target dollar spot and I thought it was cute. It took me so long to figure out where to put it, and I love it right here. Then over here I have my vanity. This is the IKEA Mickey desk, and the stool is just this little heart-shaped stool from the EOYJS collection at Walmart from like years and years ago. And it's starting to fall apart, sorry. Above my vanity I have this mirror from HomeGoods and these two pretty like mirror frames, and these are pictures with my parents when we went to Disney World when I was super little. I just thought they were super cute. On top of my vanity I have all of my perfumes and some makeup brushes, Kleenex, my Alexa, more makeup brushes, and just like a bunch of little things, little room spray and hair clips and stuff. Then I have this mirror from Amazon because I don't have a lot of light in this corner. Hey, but this lights up so I can do my makeup here easily. And here, that's like the whole thing there, just this little bitty corner. And yeah, that's it. So here is another little overview. I love my room. I love all the colors, all the whites and mirror and silver and gold. I love these angel wings. And yeah, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you love my room as much as I do. If you have any questions, leave them in a comment down below and I will try and answer everything as far as like where stuff is from or whatever. But yeah, if you're watching this, I hope you have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe so you can see more of my videos, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.